Megan. Jesus! Would you suck it 3 times? How do you freaking do that? Okay, ready? Ready? Look. Oh, that would hurt. Here, look, I can't do it. Ready? No, how do you do it? Ready? Look. I'm eating my apple pie. No, ready? Ready? Welcome to vagina. Welcome to China vagina. Welcome to Cleveland. I get it. I don't get it. Welcome to Cleveland because Paige has double D's. I think I missed that. That was fun. Ew, somebody lick it. Ooh, baby. I didn't really lick it. I was her shirt. I got your shirt a little wet there. Can't move. A badass. Wait, here comes. Wait, are you ready? Let's go pull that. Oh my god, I just kicked your dog! They fell!